Good morning, everyone. Have you ever noticed how the way you start your day affects everything that follows? If you wake up feeling bloated, sluggish, or with an upset stomach, it throws off your energy, mood, and even focus for the whole day. But imagine this: what if you could start your day with a simple drink that kickstarts your digestion, flushes out toxins, and gives you natural energy? In today's video, we're going to talk about one powerful morning drink that can improve your gut health and keep your digestion running smoothly all day long. Think of your digestion as your body's engine. It breaks down food and turns it into the energy you need. When your digestion is weak, it can cause problems like acid reflux, bloating, constipation, skin issues, low energy, and even weight gain. Research shows that your gut health is directly linked to your overall health. In fact, more than 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. That's why starting the morning with the right drink is such a game changer. The drink is warm lemon water with a little honey, optional, lemon honey pot. Warm water gently wakes up your digestive system and helps flush out waste. Lemon, packed with vitamin C, it supports your liver, boosts digestion, and encourages natural detox. Honey, optional, soothing for the gut, gives natural energy and supports good bacteria in the stomach. Note, if you're diabetic, skip the honey and go with just lemon water or try apple cider vinegar instead. Warm water, easy for the body to absorb, cleanses the intestines and rehydrates your body after sleep. Lemon juice, while it tastes acidic, once digested it has an alkaline effect which helps reduce acid reflux and improves overall digestion. Vitamin C boosts your immunity, supports collagen production, and keeps the intestinal lining strong. Honey acts like a prediction, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. The result? Your digestive system gets a smooth, healthy kickstart every morning. Recipe: 1. 1 glass of warm water, not boiling hot. 2. Squeeze half a fresh lemon. 3. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, optional. 4. Mix well and drink it first thing in the morning before breakfast. Tips: avoid using metal cups or spoons, stick with glass or ceramic. Always use fresh lemon, not bottled juice. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes before eating breakfast. If you'd like to switch things up, here are some amazing alternatives. 1. Apple cider vinegar water balances gut bacteria, reduces bloating, and helps with weight management. 2. Cumin Gears water, excellent for gas, acidity, and bloating. 3. Ginger water boosts metabolism, reduces nausea, and supports digestion. 4. Aloe vera water helps with constipation and supports skin health. 5. Greenback Mathis seed water, great for weight control and blood sugar balance. You can explain each one in detail with benefits. This helps stretch your video to a full 20 minutes while giving viewers multiple options. So there you have it, friends. A simple glass of warm lemon water can do wonders for your digestion, your energy levels, and your overall health. And remember, you can try other variations too, like apple cider vinegar, ginger water, or cumin water, depending on what your body needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for simpler science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.